metamorphosis is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching. It involves a clear and relatively unexpected sudden change in the animal's body through cell growth and differentiation. Insects, fishes, amphibians, mollusks, crustaceans, cnidarians, echinoderms, and tunicates undergo metamorphosis. Based on this, animals can be classified as holometaboly, or complete metamorphosis, hemimetaboly, or incomplete metamorphosis, and finally ametaboly, or no metamorphosis. All three types of metamorphosis can be found in insects. Complete metamorphosis is a form of development which includes 4 life stages, namely egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. Immature stages of holometabolous insects are completely different from the mature stages. In some species, the holometabolous life cycle prevents larvae from competing with adults because they live in different ecological niches. Examples include beetles, butterflies, moths, flies, and wasps. Hemimetabolism or hemimetaboly, also called incomplete metamorphosis, is the mode of development in certain insects that includes 3 distinct stages: the egg, nymph, and the adult stage. These undergo development without a pupal stage. The nymph has a thin exoskeleton and resembles the adult stage, but lacks wings and functional reproductive organs. Examples include termites, praying mantis, crickets, and lice. Ametabolism is a type of life cycle in insects in which there is slight or no metamorphosis. Only a gradual increase in size happens. This is seen only in primitive wingless insects. Example includes the orders Archaeognatha and Zygentoma. Generally, organisms in larval stages undergo metamorphosis, and during this period, the organism loses larval characters and transforms physically with an entirely different appearance. Metamorphosis is iodothyronine-induced and believed to be the ancestral feature of all chordates. In insects, metamorphosis is controlled by hormones. Neurosecretory cells in an insect's brain secretes a hormone called prothoracic hormone, PTTH. This activates prothoracic glands, which secrete a second hormone, usually ecdysone, which is an ecdysteroid, that induces the process of ecdysis. Ecdysis is the process of moulting, or shedding of cuticle in organisms. Outer covering, or cuticle of these creatures typically forms a largely inelastic exoskeleton, which is shed during growth, and a new larger covering is formed. Other major examples for metamorphosis include salmons. The salmons are diadromous, which means that it changes from a freshwater to a saltwater lifestyle. Many species of flatfishes begin their life bilaterally symmetrical, with an eye on either side of the body. But one eye moves to join the other side of the fish, which becomes the upper side in adult form. Many bony fishes undergo metamorphosis, from embryo to larva, or called fry, and then to a juvenile stage, during absorption of the yolk sac. Does metamorphosis occurs in humans and other viviparous animals does not undergo metamorphosis because their offspring are fully developed inside their mother's womb and further differentiation is not needed. However, some little changes may occur during their age of maturity.